Okay, so looking at our article on cursive, nearly 4,000 people who responded to the survey, 70% said they were in favor of mandatory instruction of cursive writing in elementary school. Only 20% of the respondents said cursive is currently taught in their respective elementary schools. So I'm still missing 10%, but your data may not be complete either. So I'm going to do a pie chart. Now, how we edit it is I'm going to say open source. So this is a generic one. I'm going to open it, and it's going to have all these data points I can edit. So I have to equal 100. Let it load. Okay. All right. So what did they say? 70 people. It's 70, 20, and then 10% is my other. And I'm going to delete team 4. All right. Now, let me go back. What did it state? In favor of mandatory instruction of cursive writing. So I'm going to add that in. I might even do this in favor of cursive. Okay, and my 20% was currently teach cursive, and this one is other. Okay, now how do I get rid of that points scored? What I'm going to do is open up a little side thing. Okay, so chart title, I am going to say, or I could even say attitudes of teaching cursive in elementary. There we go. Now I can do some cool things with it. Oh, cool. You can label them. Ooh. Donut hole. You can make that. I can also make it 3D. Maybe it's chart style. Oh, there we go. 3D. Ooh, I kind of like that one. Okay, 3D, background color. I can change my font, a bunch of different stuff. Okay, so I like how that looks, and I'm going to go back to my Google Slides, and I'm going to say update. Oh, and it looks beautiful. So here is my one for tackle football, and this is what it looked like. So depending on, you're going to take a data piece, and then you decide what is the best way to represent that in a chart. So you may not have everything. What I would also do is I would cite it. So I would go back and cite, copy, and I would add in my little citation. It would also be in my works cited, but just so people know where I'm getting this information from. I'm not just making it up. Okay.